Well, get ready to transform your Zoho CRM experience because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to create targeted contact lists that will revolutionize your marketing and supercharge your sales. First, let's navigate to the Contacts module in your Zoho CRM. You can usually find this in the main menu on the left-hand side. Click on Contacts to open up your existing contact database. Now, at the top left corner, you will see a drop-down menu, currently displaying all contacts. Click this menu. This is where you will have a variety of ways to filter down your contacts. Scroll to the bottom of that drop-down menu and click on Create List. This will open the Create List options. A pop-up window will appear, and here you can give your new list a relevant name. For instance, if you're targeting potential clients in the real estate industry, you could name it something like Real Estate Leads. Add a short description to help you remember the purpose of the list. Next, define your criteria for the list. You can filter contacts based on a variety of fields, such as industry, location, job title, or lead source. For example, you can choose industry from the first drop-down, then equals from the second. And finally, type in real estate to target all contacts in that industry. You can add multiple criteria to further refine your list. Just click on the Add Criteria button to add another filter. For example, you might want to also filter by location or by lead source. Once you've defined all your criteria, click the Save button. Zoho CRM will automatically populate your list with contacts that match your criteria. And that's it. You now have a targeted contact list, ready for personalized communication and marketing campaigns. You can access the list anytime from the List View drop-down menu. By creating targeted lists like this one, you'll be able to send more relevant content, resulting in higher engagement, improved conversion rates, and stronger customer relationships. So, go ahead and create your first list and watch your Zoho CRM become a powerful engine for growth. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Zoho CRM tips, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover.